Hi guys, who's here with us? Rohit Arora from Gizbot. What do you want to say about this phone?
Because this is the latest flagship smartphone from Sony, offering you the best of audio, display, and camera technology.
Yes. Okay, and what about the camera?
Okay, so guys, we have previously tested the Motion Eye camera with the Sony Xperia XZS, and it is the same camera that offers you 960 frames per second super slow motion videos that no other smartphone can actually capture besides the Sony Xperia XZS. So this can be a delight for photographers, for definitely who love to capture photographers with mobile. And besides, you can also capture predictive hybrid focus with this smartphone, and the images are quite detailed with natural colors.
Okay, and if we talk about 4K HDR display, so what do you want
Yeah,
to say about
that
that?
is another aspect of this smartphone. So Sony's Bravia engine, which we have previously seen with Sony's televisions, this is now available in this 5.5-inch form factor. So once again, the first smartphone that offers the 4K HDR display in such a compact form factor.
Okay, as being a girl, I really want to ask this question. What about the camera? Is it enough for girls?
Yeah, it is enough for girls. And okay, the front camera is of 13 megapixel with f2.0 aperture size, which is quite good, and it is 22 millimeter wide angle lens at the front, so you can actually capture a good frame, and you can actually capture group selfies with this smartphone.
Oh wow, wow. Okay,
So not you, your friends can also give a thumbs up of this.
right. Okay, so what do you want to say to all the viewers there about this phone? Will you recommend this phone?
So this phone is perfect for camera lovers and for guys who love to watch videos, even for girls who love to have a good multimedia experience over their smartphone. And I would really like to give a thumbs up this smartphone for definitely for camera lovers.
So,
Go out, experiment with the super slow motion because no other smartphone can actually do that.
okay, so are we getting thumbs up? Yes.
Yeah, in
So
terms of audio,
let's
in terms of display, and in terms of camera, yes,
so
a definite thumbs up.
let's show it.
Thumbs up for Sony Xperia XZ Premium.